We are at Rayburn Park, COE Campground in Jasper, Texas.
And this is a campground review. Make sure to stay to the end to find out about our favorite and least favorite parts of staying at this campground, and we'll check out the Google reviews and see if we can confirm or bust them.
And hit that like and subscribe. General impression.
This is our favorite new place. We're really excited to share it with you, and it has a great value, which of course is one of my favorite things.
This is a small campground with 45 back-end sites on 2 different loops that are all close to the water, and all of the sites have an amazing water view.
We see in campsite number 43. It is a back-end cement pad, as are all the campsites in this loop, and it's plenty long enough for our 55-foot rig without having to disconnect. It is a little bit, it needs a little bit of leveling, but it's mostly level from front to back and side to side.
Hookups here include both 50 and 30, so hashtag 50, as well as water on a very nice insulated and lighted pedestal.
All the sites come with a cement patio as well that is covered, and it includes a fire ring with a layover grill attachment, a picnic table, and something I've never seen at any other campground, which is a nice table for you to do all of your grilling.
That's right, so you don't have to burn up the picnic tables here in the sites.
There's no propane refill at this park. The closest is going to be at Ewing RV Park, which is about 45 miles away, but your best chance at propane refill is probably going to be when you go into Jasper at Tractor Supply, which is about an hour away. They do have a dump station which is easily accessible whether you're leaving or entering the park.
There is no Wi-Fi here at the campground. Starlink has interrupted views of the sky, so there will be some light buffering here. You can stream on it. Verizon Wireless was really good here at the campground and is definitely good enough for streaming.
The noise level at this campground is amazingly quiet. You may actually be able to hear some birds in the background, but that's about it. No planes, no trains, no road noise. We did get a little bit of occasional boat noise, but it really wasn't bothersome. It should be noted, we did, for the most time we were here, have the campground to ourselves, which was really kind of nice. Amenities.
They have a bathroom and a shower house in each loop. The other loop was closed down for the season, but our loop had multi-stall bathrooms and 4 individual shower rooms.
The dumpsters were easily located at the dump station near the entrance to the loops. There's no laundry, no pool, but they do have a nice playground for the kids. They also have a boat ramp, and fishing is available, but you will need to check to see about the licensing. Dog friendliness.
This campground is very dog friendly with lots of grassy areas to walk your dog in. They do not, however, have any dog amenities here at the park. There is one trash can available for disposal of dog waste. It is between the shower rooms at the bathhouse in our loop.
It's kind of around the back, so we didn't notice it the first couple of days, but it is more convenient than walking all the way to the dumpster.
Definitely. Camp store.
There is no camp store at this campground. The closest grocery store is going to be Dollar General, which is about 30 minutes away, or Walmart, which is going to be in Jasper, about an hour away. The closest Amazon locker is going to be about an hour away. It is Snowgrass and Nacogdoches. Camp staff interactions.
We had multiple interactions with the camp hosts and rangers. They were all super nice and helpful.
And we saw them out all the time, cleaning and really keeping this place looking nice. For reservations, you can make your reservations online at recreation.gov, and you can pick your own site with no lock fee. Love that.
Definitely.
And now we're going to get to our favorite parts, the cost, the pros and cons, and the 1-star reviews. But if you've gotten to this part of the video and you've liked it or gotten something from it, please give us the thumbs up button. It really helps our channel continue to grow. And hit that bell notification button. It subscribes you so you don't miss another one of our videos. So the cost per night at this campground was $28. We felt like this is an amazing value for what they have on offer. I mean, they have some really, really well thought and nice amenities for the campsites. I mean, these tables here that you can grill from, the insulated pedestals, like all the things. I didn't even mention the shepherd's hook. They've got shepherd's hooks with multiple different hooks at different heights to hang your lanterns and things. So they've really done a fantastic job, and it's a great value for the $28. When you make your reservation, make sure that you enter your interagency pass, because some of the campgrounds on recreation.gov give you discounts based on your America the Beautiful pass as well.
Yep.
A way to save some extra bucks. And now for the 1-star Google review that we found. Can we confirm it or bust it? There weren't many to choose from at this campground.
Glenn G writes, the best part of this park is closed. 1 star!
I don't know what Glenn considers to be the best part of this park, but I'm pretty sure this for us is the best part of this park, and it was definitely not closed. In fact, as we were pulling in, we were already talking about making reservations to come back and stay even longer.
I mean, I was definitely sitting on that patio right there watching people fish. I mean, with the sunset in the background.
Yeah.
Or sunrise, I should say.
Sunrise?
Yeah, people fish in the morning.
I don't know, but I was definitely enjoying our patio and that water view as the sun set, and we were eating some of our delicious pork and pineapple pork tacos.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. So we're gonna call this one Busted. All right, Mike, so now we get to the part where we talk about our least favorite part, and then we're gonna wrap up with our favorite part. What was your least favorite part of staying at this campground?
Well, this place definitely stinks. Joking. There's no sewer.
Bad jokes. He's got bad jokes.
Yeah. That was my least favorite part.
Either bad jokes or dad jokes. I'm not sure. Bad dad jokes, maybe. Mine was the fact that it doesn't have sewer as well. But clearly it's not kept us from coming and staying and enjoying our time. And like I said, we're already talking about coming and staying for even longer. So it's a very, very small dislike. So let's leave that behind us and move on to the part we loved about this campground. What was your favorite part?
I think they could see the favorite part that I had behind us, which is the lake.
Yeah, mine was the view. Like I said, I mean, just imagine it. Sunset, well, you don't have to imagine it because we'll put pictures up here for you, but sunset with dinner on the patio, or drinking your favorite cup of coffee, you know, and having the coffee steaming as you're looking out across this beautiful water. I mean, the views were amazing, and the price was not bad either. So if you enjoyed this campground review and you'd like to see other places we liked or didn't like, as the case may be, check them out right here. Or if you'd like to see what adventures we got into while we were here, check out our vlog up here. Click it.